every land. Different voices, one command. Through the struggle, through the fire, we rise together higher and higher. No more borders in our hearts, no more tearing us apart. Hear the rhythm, feel the chord. Tonight we stand as one. From the streets of dreams and dust to the fields of hope and trust, every child who dares to play carries tomorrow in their way. Different color, same soul. Every story makes us whole. Through the pain, through the fight, we turn the dark into the light. Hands up high, feel the sound. Every heartbeat shaking ground. We don't fall, we rise above. Stronger now in peace and love. One love, one world, one dream we share tonight. One heart, one voice, we shine in every light. From the mountains to the seas, hear the song of unity. One love, one world, no fear, no divide. Side by side, we're stronger, unified. Every nation, every soul. This is more than just a goal. It's one love, one world. Hear the drums from east to west, every culture at its best. Dancing feet on sacred ground, in every cheer our truth is found. No more hate, no more war, we know what we're fighting for. Not just trophies, not just fame, but a world we can reclaim. Feel the fire, feel the grace, see the future in each face. We are more than what we've been, this is where the change begins. One love, one world, one dream we share tonight. One heart, one voice, we shine in every light. From the deserts to the rain, we are healing all the pain. One love, one world, no fear, no divide. Side by side, we're stronger, unified. Every nation, every soul. This is more than just a goal. It's one love, one world. If we listen, we can hear every cry, every tear. Turn the hope, turn the flame. We will never be the same. Put your flags down for a while. Let your enemies just smile. In this moment we are free. This is how it's meant to be. One love, one world. Let the whole earth sing. One heart, one voice. Hear the freedom ring. Hey, no more walls, no more chains. Only love remains. One love, one world. This is our time now. Stand as one. We make the world bow. Every nation, every soul. Together we are whole. One love, one world, one world. Forever, one world. When the final whistle blows, it's not the end we chose. It's the start of something new. A better world because of you. One love, one